Welcome to the Pinal County 31st Annual Safety Rodeo.
We're at the 2024 Pinal County Safety Rodeo.
I think today we have 12 agencies here, 7 different counties, and then a few cities from inside Pinal County.
We got people from as far north as Apache County, all the way down to Yuma County, as well as many of the cities.
It's a great way for all the public works groups to get together and just have a friendly competition.
Get to meet each other, use their skills on the heavy equipment.
And build some camaraderie between the different agencies, which is a great thing.
I think it's really important to have all of our crews that are out there every day to come and have a day where they can relax a little bit, have some fun, see how they're doing, a little safe and happy competition. I think it's a really good way to bring up the morale.
I think just promoting safety in general is great, and getting to try out new equipment. I noticed some of this equipment is not county owned, so brand new equipment, get to check it out and see how it works.
You know, just hit some cones, you know what I mean? It was standard, it was different this year, but it was good, liked it. These cones just happened to get in the way.
I mean, it's kind of just like taking a bunch of S's to get around it. The cones are pretty close, but other than that, I think it's pretty easy. Hitting cones a lot more than I am now, but it's pretty fun to be here and just go around it. You learn a lot.
It's always nervous when there's a competition. Everybody tries to do good. Just take your time. It's hard to judge when you're up high, and it's hard to see a lot of the things. When you're on it all the time, you get used to where the bucket's at and how far it's sticking out. I haven't been on one in a while, so it's a little rusty, but it's fun.
It's just fun to be around everyone and see the different levels of operators that are out here, and you learn some things from some people.
It went all right. It's the first time back being in the joystick, so having to re-educate myself on running it. I did okay being the first time in a joystick in about 5 years.
This is a public show of what we have to offer.
We pride ourselves here at the county of having a friendly environment.
I think Pinal County has a good culture, and we've been working on that for quite a few years.
Here at the Safety Rodeo, you can try out your skills, maybe try out a new piece of equipment. If you make a mistake, it's okay. It's a safe place. It's a morale booster. It's something fun, enjoyable, get away from the day-to-day. It's a really great event. As a volunteer, I have a great time here too. I love helping out and being a part of this event.
I'm supportive of the employees of Pinal County, and I want to come out and support them, and I want to say, hey, how you doing? Thanks for doing your job.
And I look forward to next year where we can have an even better event, make some improvements, and hopefully grow it even more.